do a really whippy feeling. Then we apply this to the traveling whip. 3 full step, 1 and 2 speeding up, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Underarm, change hands. Sugar normal. 3 full step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Triple, and slingshot.
Standing on 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do the slingshot longer. You can do more waves. You can play with your feet, with whatever, and come out on 10 or yeah.
Maybe here. Yeah, and then try to keep the lady outside on the same, in the same side or in the other, doesn't matter. It's your imagination. Thanks.
Thank you.